Welcome to this 5-minute guided meditation. Today we will journey to the serene beauty of Armstrong National Reserve in California, amongst the beautiful redwoods from the comfort of your own home. We'll focus on mindful breathing, oxygenating your lungs, and connecting with the tranquility of nature. So find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Inhale, take a deep breath in, filling your lungs completely. And then slowly exhale, feeling your body relax with each breath. Taking another deep breath in, filling up the lungs completely, and then slowly exhaling. Imagine yourself standing at the base of a towering sequoia tree. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Visualize the roots of the redwood, deep and strong, anchoring you to the earth. As you continue to breathe deeply and steadily, picture yourself surrounded by these ancient giants. Their trunks reach high into the sky, their branches providing a canopy of peace and protection. The air around you is fresh and crisp, filled with the scent of pine and earth. Each breath you take draws in this pure, revitalizing air, filling your lungs with life and energy. Now come to focus on your breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling up your chest and your abdomen. Hold the breath there for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. With each inhale, imagine the oxygen flowing through your body, nourishing every cell. With each exhale, let go of any negativity or worries. Feeling the connection to the trees around you. Their strength and endurance are a source of inspiration. As you breathe, imagine drawing in their resilience and calm. Let their presence remind you of the stability and peace within you. Feel a sense of harmony and balance as you connect with nature. Gradually bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Taking a moment to notice how you feel, carrying the tranquility and rejuvenation from this meditation with you. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey to the redwoods. May you carry this peace with you throughout your day. Namaste.